Helo Loop, Gruff dwi o'r band Melin Melyn. A dyn ni yma yn Tramshed ar gyfer premiere ar gyfer fideo i'r gan I Paint Dogs gan Melin Melyn. So, here we go. Premiere. I Paint Dogs. A mae'r carpet coch o dan ei. Nes i sylwi bod James yn dilyn ni ar y cyfryngau cymdeithasol a ni'n meddwl pwy yw'r boi yma'n dilyn ni, a gyda fe lot o ddilynwyr a nes i sylwi bod wedi gweithio ar bethau fel Ali G a Borat a Flight of the Conchords a'r Muppets a nes i ofyn pam ti'n dilyn ni?
Green Man Festival 2022. I just finished shooting Percy Jackson in Vancouver. I got back off the plane and went straight from Heathrow to Green Man. And on day one, on a Friday, I went to have some lunch. And I thought, I know what I fancy, some Indian food in the walled garden. And I walked in, and the band that came on immediately as I sat down were one of the best bands I've ever seen in a festival, which is Melin Melyn. So we had a brilliant hour watching them play some brilliant music, and that's kind of how I got into the music. About a year later, I get a message on my Instagram saying,
Ti fancy wneud music video fan ni?
And I went, sure, because I love your music.
So, we have a film to show you, which is around the song I Paint Dogs. Dwi'n gobeithio nhw'ch gyd fwynhau. Even if you don't, please cheer at the end. Thank you.
Twisting and turning the heads to feed caffeine, feel dreams. I swear to God that she thinks she's a queen.
Mae concept y gan yn wahanol iawn i concept y fideo. So mae'r gan ynglyn â fi'n gorfod gweithio fel lot artisteg, gorfod gweithio jobsys rubbish rhwng y gwaith fel cerddor neu actor neu cynllunydd neu artist neu unrhyw un sy'n gweithio yn y byd celf. Ond mae'r fideo hun ynglyn â Ci cael ei chwarae gan Elliot Ditton a'r stori ydy Ci sy'n celebrity ac yn ennill bob dim ac yn enwog iawn a mae jyst eisiau byw bywyd cyffredin fel cŵn eraill a dyna di stori'r ffilm.
It was just a fun few days of just throwing my ideas around. We all had ideas. I wrote the script. They sent me some ideas that was really good. And then we shot it, and that was kind of it, really. It's a real brilliant confluence of circumstance and really fun thing to do.
Make your way through to the, what would they say in Crystal Maze? Like to the Aztec area. So to the bar. And we'll see you there, and then we'll, yeah.
Feel that shake in your pocket, could this answer all?
They have so many good ideas about performance, because when you play music and you play music like theirs, it's really good to have other things going on and ideas happening within it. I'm always very big a fan of that sort of music, be it Talking Heads or anyone like that, who have other things going on. But music is art. And I think music is art, you know what I mean? So I think they did a really good job of that. I love that.
Mae heno'n noson rili gyffroes. Mae yna fans Melin Melyn wedi dod, mae ffrindiau, teulu, mae lot o bobl wedi dod ar gyfer, noson eitha unigryw, mae rhywbeth eitha tongue-in-cheek am gael premiere ar gyfer y music video, dwi'n mynd digwydd yn aml, a ni'n meddwl pam ddim cael pawb at ei gilydd i ddathlu rhywbeth rili arbennig, dwi'n meddwl pawb wedi lot o ymdrech i fewn.